Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us the Honor MagicBook 15, which was launched recently. This laptop is priced at Rs 42,990 rupees. And in today's video, we will discuss if it's the best laptop under Rs 50,000 in India. So starting with the unboxing experience, you get the user manual, the laptop itself, and the 65-watt power adapter along with the Type-C cable. Talking about the design and build quality, the Honor MagicBook 15 looks beautiful. You get the aluminum body in this laptop, and I really like the blue chamfered edges. At the back, you also get the blue Accent Honor logo. The laptop definitely feels premium and looks beautiful. Even though it's a budget laptop, but the design and build quality feels really premium. This laptop is also lightweight and weighs just 1.53 kilograms. The thickness of the laptop is 16.3 mm at the thickest point and is 5.3 mm thin at top and side bezels. Overall, keeping in mind the price, I'm really happy with the design and build quality of this laptop. Now moving towards the port options. On the left side we have the Type-C port, which is for charging and data transfer. And then next to it you have a USB port along with an HDMI port. On the right side we have the headphone jack and one more USB port. In the front you have a dual mic setup. There is also a fingerprint scanner built into a power button. At the bottom of the laptop you have the rubber feet, and then on the side you have two speakers, and in the middle you have the air vent. So in terms of the ports, first of all I'm happy that you get the Type-C charging port in this laptop, and it also supports PD charging. But I wish it had either the microSD or the SD card slot. Now in terms of the display, in the Honor MagicBook 15, you get the 15.6 inches Full HD IPS 60Hz display, which offers 87% screen to body ratio. And as it's IPS display, the viewing angles are good and the color accuracy is also decent. The display of this laptop also comes with the anti-glare coating, and it also has the TUV certified eye comfort mode, which reduces the blue light. Overall, with the 5.3 mm thin bezels, the display of this laptop is good, and I had a very good experience while watching videos and movies on this laptop. Now let's talk about the keyboard and touchpad. You get the chiclet style keyboard in this laptop. The spacing between the keys is good, but for some reason I didn't like the matte texture on the keys, and I also find the key travel is not that good. And guys, I have a good typing speed of approximately 80 to 90 words per minute, but while typing on this keyboard, the keys feel mushy and the experience for me is not nice, and I'm not at all happy with the keyboard quality. The touchpad however seems pretty nice, and I like the sensitivity and the feel of this touchpad. You get the Windows Precision driver support, and the gestures works pretty good. The size and the placement is also good, and there are no complaints with the touchpad on this laptop. Now coming back to the keyboard, there is a unique feature, and if you look at the top row, you will see this camera button. This laptop comes with a pop-up style camera, which to be honest is a good idea keeping in mind the privacy issues. But when you're using the camera, you get this weird angle which doesn't look nice. And also, one more issue which I have faced with this camera is that during video calls, whenever I had to type something, your hand comes right in front of the camera, which looks pretty bad. Now before we talk about the performance and hardware configuration of this laptop, here is a quick word from our sponsor Dashlane. Dashlane is a password manager which safely stores your passwords. You can save and organize your passwords in vaults, which you can protect with your fingerprint or PIN. And the app is super secure and your data is fully encrypted. Using the app is really easy, and you can manually add the password in the app itself. Or whenever you're on the login page of any website, you will see this Dashlane bubble. And from here, you can add the account. You can also import your passwords which are already saved in your browser such as Google Chrome etc. With Dashlane, they autofill your passwords and financial info. So you don't have to waste time filling out forms and resetting passwords. Plus it works on all the devices anywhere. So make your life way easier and try Dashlane. Our viewers can get it for free on their first device by heading to dashlane.com/gadgetgig. They also provide a VPN so you can browse without being tracked and access content that would otherwise be blocked. And apart from Android, the service is also available cross-platform, such as you have Google Chrome extension, iOS app and Windows application. Overall, if you keep on forgetting your passwords, then definitely try out Dashlane. And as mentioned earlier, you can try by going to dashlane.com/gadgetgig. And if you would like to use it on more than one device, then use my promo code GadgetGig. Now coming back to the video, let's talk about the hardware configuration of this laptop. Honor MagicBook 15 has the AMD Ryzen 5 3500U processor. It's a quad-core processor with 8 threads. The base clock is at 2.1 GHz and with the max boost, it can go up to 3.7 GHz. And guys, you also get the AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics support in this laptop, which is good for casual gaming and other tasks. In terms of the memory, you get the 8GB DDR4 RAM in this laptop, which unfortunately is not upgradable. And about the storage, you get the 256GB PCIe SSD hard drive, which you can also replace and upgrade it later on. The battery on this laptop is a 3-cell battery and the capacity is 3665 mAh. The battery backup is decent, and during our testing, we got approximately 4 to 5 hours of battery backup, which includes watching videos, sending and receiving mails, and using it for social media. But the best part is the 65-watt charger, which charges this laptop pretty fast as it supports fast charging, and in just half an hour, it can charge the laptop to 50%. Now coming to the most important part, now let's talk about the performance. I have used this laptop for a few weeks now for regular office tasks, which includes checking mail, watching YouTube videos, and going through social media websites. First of all, the performance of this laptop for regular tasks is pretty good, and I haven't noticed any issue while using this laptop on day-to-day basis. The 8GB RAM though is sufficient for all this work, and you will not feel the need to upgrade it. The 256GB SSD drive on this laptop is pretty fast, and the read and write speed you get on this hard drive is pretty impressive. The boot time is also less, and guys, as you know that the fingerprint sensor is on the power button, so as soon as you press the power button, it scans your fingerprint and take you right to the desktop screen. And personally, I really like this feature. And one more thing, the fingerprint scanner is accurate and pretty fast. So guys, if you're looking for a laptop for your office work or studies, then the performance of this laptop will not disappoint you. I have used this laptop continuously for over 10 to 12 hours and I didn't notice any performance degradation. There is no heating while doing regular tasks and the fan noise is also pretty less. And about the graphics, as it has the AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics, so we decided to run some games. And guys, first of all, this laptop is not for gaming, but you can do casual gaming on this laptop at lower graphics settings. One thing we noticed that while gaming, this laptop heats up pretty fast, which is kind of expected. Now coming to the speaker performance, the dual speakers at the bottom of this laptop performs pretty good, and they are definitely louder than some of the other laptops in this price range. Though I didn't like the output of the speakers, but good for watching videos and listening to music. And lastly, you get the Honor Link 2.0 support in this laptop, which lets you connect your Honor smartphone with this laptop, which unfortunately we couldn't test as we didn't have the Honor smartphone. So overall, the Honor MagicBook 15 is a good looking laptop which offers good design, build quality, and the hardware configuration is also pretty good. The IPS display on this laptop performs good, and for your day-to-day tasks and work, we think this laptop is a very good option. There are few things which we didn't like about this laptop, such as the missing backlit keyboard, card reader, and also the unique pop-up camera on this laptop is a bit too much, which gives a weird camera angle. The keyboard quality is not that good, and I didn't like the overall feel of the keyboard. But apart from that, performance-wise, I really like this laptop. It's well built and looks amazing. And if you're looking for a laptop under Rs 50,000 for your work and studies, then we highly recommend you to check out the Honor MagicBook 15. And as usual, if you like this laptop and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was our review of the Honor MagicBook 15 laptop. Let us know if you like this laptop, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this laptop in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.